Hey guys, this is me Rahini and I came across something really cool recently. I'm going to share information about the most premium and non-toxic Play-Doh ever. This kit provides a comprehensive learning experience with 26 uppercase alphabet cards featuring clear and vibrant illustrations. It also includes 5 vowel cards and some blank cards. It's a fantastic way to get familiar with each letter. You can also explore 2-letter, 3-letter, and even 4-letter words with the Pepplay Alphabets Dough Art Kit. The dough provided in this kit is of high quality and it lasts up to 2 to 3 years. With the shaping tool, tracing becomes a breeze. You can easily trace the outlines of each alphabet card. It's an interactive activity that not only helps you to develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, but also reinforces proper letter formation. This Pepplay Alphabet Dough Art Kit is not just about fun. With this kit, you will discover the world of learning in a fun way. I'm very sure my younger brother will love this absolutely.